Alright. Here we are with The Rising of Mahou Shoujo Machinegun. Yeah, I'm all about this. All about this chain gun here. Oh no, I'm late. Luckily there's a shortcut on the right. Whoa, she's got hops. I'll be late, better go right. But there's so much trash to explore. She's got the run. The anime girl run. Come on, give us money. Jeez, they really came with the outfit. Cuff up some coin. Look there, brother. Ho ho! What a lucky find. So what do we do about her? Oh, Jesus. That's a little excessive. Jesus, what's your problem? We make her follow us on Twitter. Stick with the plan. Yeah, brother, that's way worse, lol. Okay, you've got me. Come here and help me look for my phone. What the heck? Are you okay? They beat the crap out of me and you think I'm okay? Ah, a talking pig. What's wrong? You never seen a talking pig before? Listen, girl, they're gonna kill you if you don't do something. So take this gun and shoot them in the face. Simple enough. No. So after you shoot them, what do you mean, no? Do you hear something? Nothing. Keep searching. Shoot them right now, goddammit. I definitely hear something. Quit slacking and keep searching. Man, how hard is it to find your phone? Alright, here we go. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. He's short, so I can't hit him. Unless I duck. Nice. Uh-oh. Give me your soul stones. Oh, I can metal slug it. Can I shoot up? Nope. Kind of annoying that the camera stays so like I'm forced to be so close to the right side of the screen where the enemies come from. Uh-oh, I know this song. Oh no, I'm trapped! Wait, what the hell are you doing? Transform and kick their ass! Transform? What do you mean? I need to teach you everything? My god, you're dumb. Wow, this suited pig is rude. Yeah, you look annoyed, Mina. Alright, so Z. Time to chain gun. This chain gun is kind of a downgrade, honestly. Oh no. Like... the barrel starts sticking past who I want to shoot. And I can't seem to duck while I'm, oh no. I can't seem to... How do I even get hit there? Okay. few more. Oh, and I can't duck and shoot. I straight up can't duck and shoot while I have this up. Honestly, I think I could have done that without being transformed, but who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Transforming. Eek, a pervert. Oh, hello, Larry. How have you been? Who's Larry? Oh. Hello, Cindy. What? Right on time. Go there and make business with Cindy. Hell no. Listen to me, damn it. So what have we here? Come closer, sweetheart. Let's see. What exactly are you? Mahou Shoujo, of course. Otherwise I'll be kicked out of the jam. Jesus, Larry, what did you do this time? Anyway, I sell upgrades to magic girls in exchange for the power source. The power source is materialized into stones, like friendship, love, and etc. So let's see what's yours. Larry. Why is this girl's source power tears, blood, and souls? You know what? I don't want to know. That's why I love you, Cindy. You betcha. Alright, what can we buy? More efficiency of soul shards, more health, more damage. I'm always a sucker for better income, and I think I'm gonna need the health. Alright, time to go. Could use a health pack. Ah, come on. Okay, I'm getting in the flow of things here. I think that was a good transform. Hold right there! Oh no, hide me! Larry, is that you? Come out and face your punishment. What did you do this time? You girl, you should not affiliate with this pig, even though he was one of the Shitenno, 4 heavenly kings, and one of our Grey Company's top directors. Your deeds will not be overlooked this time. Even our CEO and Daimao, Randrail, won't save you this time. You where? What? Or you were what, I assume? And you, girl, are the one that is killing our employees. Well, wait a minute. Therefore I, Collector Moon, must deal with you. Is she a debt collector, Moon? That makes no sense. You're supposed to save me. Come on, Serena, give this kid some slack. She's a good girl. How dare you speak my name? Even after you confessed that you love me, and we did it so vigorously. Oh, jeez. Thanks for that mental image. I will kill you, and kill her, and myself. Oh boy, this is bad. Alright, so, transforming doesn't seem to do much here. Do I just dodge for a bit? Or do I just keep mashing bullets? There's no indicator for when those lasers will come to hit me. Wow, this is not easy. Come on, come on. Am I even doing anything? Wait. Oh, okay. I'm not sure this is right. I feel like I've cheesed things here. Well, looks like I got it. Wait, if they were the employees of the company, why were they beating him up? You may not like what you see, but this is peak performance. So I'm really not sure. Is this really the way I was supposed to beat it? Oh, wait. Ah. Oh, okay. Wait. No, I'm still extremely confused. I thought I was onto something for a bit there. Is it like randomly choosing a correct one every time? No, it's just... I'm just gonna walk up and shoot you in the face till you die. That could have been more interesting. Well, that was a very enjoyable romp, I'd say. I really liked the writing. Even with all the spelling, grammar problems, it was clear enough what you're going for, and the irreverent tone was very amusing. Very much liked the art as well. It's all very good and cleanly done. And of course, who wouldn't enjoy Magical Girl whipping out a minigun and just blasting fools? Could probably use some work in the way of balance and gameplay clarity. Like, I still don't know how I was supposed to beat that boss. But hey, all the bones are there for a great game if you want to keep working on it. Like, I think the upgrade system could probably be spiced up with new weapons to try, potentially. And yeah, there could be more incentive to actually use the transformation, because honestly, I felt it was more of a hindrance than anything. But hey, I had fun. So yeah, great work.